Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we have this big box, so let's see what's inside here, shall we? Alright, we got a bubble wrap inside it. Yes, this is an iPhone 6s. Okay, so we have an iPhone 6s box here, a boring normal 6s here until you see the back. There's nothing in up there, and alright, that's a little bit sus, but as you can see also, this is an original iBox unit, even though there's no warranty here, I don't know why, but you can see there they got the Indonesian languages, PAA, and you notice something different here. You notice something that's interesting that I'm covering up with my right thumb here. So let me open up my right thumb here. You'll see something interesting there. What is that you guys said? Demo not for resale. Oh, interesting. Alright. So let's put the box to the table and let's open the phone up here. Oh, okay. Oh, look at that, guys. It still has the seal. So yes, this looks to be a brand new iPhone 6s. See there? Still got the seal. Once again, just like the 10s that I unboxed a couple of videos ago. Brand new iPhone 6s here. So let me take a look at what's inside the box. Yes, we don't have the headphones. We do got it included an original charger there, which is good, and a lightning cable, which is good. And do we get the complete manual? We do get a SIM tray, but iPhone 6s button info Indonesian, in English, iPhone info in Indonesian, English, warranty, and Apple stickers. Of course, that's nice. So, a brand new 6s and a sticker that says demo not for resale. So, yes, you heard it right. This is an iPhone 6s basically, of course, that is brand spanking new. They got a seal, you can see there, perfect seal, unlike my 10s. And this is supposed to be a demo unit iPhone 6s. You know those devices that you go to an Apple store or an authorized reseller store and there's those phones there. The phone, you can play around, do anything what you want. You notice that those phones have a different operating system than a normal iPhone. You got an iPhone 8 here, an iOS 15.4 here. They are running kind of the same operating system, but there is some apps that is not on the retail version of the iPhone. So this is what the intended purpose of this iPhone is. So how do I found this iPhone 6s? Well, it was listed as a brand new device. I mean, as you can see, it's still pretty brand new. Look at that, the seal. We got some sticker here that's copyright 2016 in fact here. Oh, interesting. So I found this video of an Indonesian YouTuber buying this exact 6s from the same store, which is, if you guys live in Indonesia, I will put the link in the description if you guys want to buy the same one as me. He bought it, trying to use it as a normal regular 6s. He just thought it's a brand new 6s basically, right? But when the phone turns on, I noticed that the phone is A, running iOS 10, and B, has some demo apps like the Touch ID apps, the screensavers, and all these things. I'm trying to sanitize the phone, try not to put up a sticker here. So yeah, I look at it from the video and it's running iOS 10 with some of those demo apps. And I'm interested because it's a demo iPhone. It's a rare find to find a demo unit that's being sold with still the demo apps and it's never been used. I mean, I don't know if I will have to turn on here. But as you can see from the seal, it's still brand spanking new and it's perfectly sealed too. Even if the box is not sealed and no headphones, but the phone is just amazing. So yeah, finding a demo unit iOS device is quite rare, right? Quite rare. Because when people find one, they immediately want to update it, alright? They want to use it, they want to use it as their device, so they restore it. Because you cannot actually update the phone via settings. You have to restore it via iTunes and also the tools that you can use. You have to use iTunes to restore it. So enough of the talking here. I don't know if I will get the same phone, like the same iOS, with the apps because when I watched the guy's video, I saw that the demo apps are not working, they all crash, and they're running iOS 10.2. So when I turn the phone here, in 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna see, will it happen the same thing like what I saw on that guy's video. Okay, so what I can tell here, display is original. True whites, not so, pale whites like on this fake display. Let's see here, what do we got? Oh, okay, hey, yes, indeed, this is iOS 10. Let's turn down the brightness here, because it's on the full brightness. Okay, so we do know that this is demo unit. You get the Touch ID app right there, setting nicely. We do got some apps, Waterlog and all these. This is like demo apps, so we'll see here. I'm not gonna connect to the internet here. We're gonna connect to settings and let's take a look what version of iOS this is. About 10.2. Alright, so we do get the same version here, 10.2, because these iPhones, they might be shipped with another version, I don't know. And we'll see here, it doesn't have any profiles that configures it. Okay, so let's just open up the Touch ID app here. I'm pretty sure it will crash, so that sucks. That's crash. We'll see if these Apple apps work. No, they don't. No, they are not. Third-party app, Pixelmator, Procam. Yeah, none of these work. And do we have some default photos? Yes, we do. Look at this, 2016. Okay, I want to see what iOS version that these photos took. So I have my iPhone 8 here. We're gonna airdrop one of these photos to my iPhone 8 here. Okay, let's see. Okay, found it. Let's accept it. Okay, so you can see here is this live photo. And it's shot with an iPhone 6s Plus. Wow, okay. So I have this app here. It's called Metapho. So it's basically a more detailed photo information on your iPhone, right? So this is again a 6s Plus with 9.3.1. So all these photos are shot with a 6s Plus. Alright guys, so it's been around a week or so. I own the 6s on the demo iOS 10.2 and I got a case now to protect this little seal right here, right? So I found some interesting things and I'm going to show you guys a little bit about this demo iPhone or this demo iOS 10.2 software, right? So, number one, there is a limit on when you record a video and a voice memo. I'm going to show you guys here, alright? I'm going to record a video. Okay, so the camera app has some kind of a limitation where it only can record a video for up to 15 seconds, like an Instagram story, yeah. So once 15 seconds reach, it just says this, video recording stopped, the maximum length for the video has been reached. And that's one. Number two, we're gonna go to voice memos here. Okay, now I'm gonna record the voice memos here and we'll see what we got. And here we are again with a recording limit for the demo software with voice memos. So in stored demo mode, recordings are limited up to 60 seconds. So it can only record voice memos for only a minute and 5 seconds. Okay, that's number two. Number three is all the photos and videos that you took with a demo unit iPhone will be automatically deleted, at least on this iPhone, at least, alright? Will be automatically deleted once you turn off the phone, right? So I'm gonna take some pictures here. Let's take a picture here. Okay, as you can see there, 3 photos, alright? Now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna clear it out from the multitasking. I can see there, the photo is still there, right? So let's now turn off the phone. I'm turning the phone off. If I can't turn it off, there we go. Okay, let's turn the phone on here. Okay, there we go. As you can see there, the screensaver app just crashed. Now, if I go back to my Photos app, you see those photos are gone. If I go back to my albums, what's recently deleted? Recently deleted, there's nothing. So every photos and or videos that you took on a demo iPhone, at least on this demo iPhone, right, will be automatically deleted once you turn off the phone. And so far, that's all the little weird things about this demo iOS 10.2 software that's running on the 6s. Now, as far as for the demo apps, you can see right now every other app is still crashing, but you can see I did something. You see CD right there, alright? So Yes, I do jailbreak the phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how do I jailbreak the phone here, because if you guys don't know, demo version of iOS, you cannot approve any kind of profiles or approve any device management or nothing, right? Because they are demo software. So the way I jailbreak the phone is using Meridian and the totally not spyware kernel exploit bug from the Safari. So it's basically like the jailbreak for the jailbreak me on iOS 4 days, where you can jailbreak your phone via Safari. That's what basically I use. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and jailbreak the phone here. Okay, as you can see here, I'm jailbreaking using totally not spyware with Meridian jailbreak, because this jailbreak runs via Safari, which is amazing. Okay, as you can see there, the phone does respring after the jailbreak, and you see something interesting once the phone finished respringing and successfully jailbroken again here. Bam! You guys see that? The screensaver app is running. We are now running the demo in-store screensaver. You guys see these screensavers every time you go to the Apple Store? Yes, this is the screensaver app running on this demo 6S. So if I move the phone here, bam, it will exit out the app, and now all the demo apps work just by jailbreaking. Literally, I don't install anything. All I did is jailbreak using Meridian and totally not spyware, and the first respring, or they didn't in fact install anything. All the demo apps work. Look at this, the Touch ID app. If I see here, if I put my fingerprints, so this is a demo app that you can test out the iPhone's fingerprint sensor, see if you like it or not here. In fact, if I put my fingerprint here, it will say great. If I put a wrong one, it will say try again. Great. So you can test out the fingerprint sensor of the 6S. Hit exit. You open up the app again, it will just go back again to the splash page. And all these third-party apps, the demo third-party apps, are also working, but they do have a warning when you open it up for the first time. As you can see like this, the version of Pixelmator has been created specifically for demonstration purposes. Also found it in like Nlight here. As you can see here, they got a warning there, as for created for demonstration purposes. And in Duolingo, I think I found one here. You can see there, the version has been created for demonstration purposes only, right? And yes, all the demo apps does work except iTunes U for some reason. I don't know why iTunes U keep crashing, but I don't really mind. You can see iMovie now works. Let's try Keynote here. Keynote does work. Everything, all the demo apps working except iTunes U. When I found out that I can just run a jailbreak and get all these demo apps working, I mean, as you guys can see in the first part of the video, all the demo apps crash and now I got it to work. I'm a happy man. I'm a happy man, man. I'm a happy man. I got all these demo apps working just fine. I thought it's gonna be some kind of trick and all these things. Seriously, all I did is just jailbreak and all the apps suddenly works without me having to install anything. But there is some catch that I have some problems with the jailbreak. I don't know if this is my fault or what, but I encountered these problems a million times on this iPhone. Alright, so let me see if I get the problem again here. So if we go to City here, okay, now I'm gonna try and go ahead and install Battery Life here. Battery Life, this one, okay, from Big Boss. Confirm. Now we see here, we got an error. Okay, we don't. Looks like, because this afternoon I got an error with the side do error here, like this error I will show you guys on the screen right now. And after I got the side do error, I got this DPKG error, which is stressing quite a lot on me because this is demo unit and it's on a later version of iOS 2 10.2. As you can see, the screensaver app works. Shake the phone, it goes away, and I keep getting those errors. Alright, so I created this note so you guys have this some kind of error as well. You guys can follow along with me, you know, this a little how-to video in this little video here, right? So you guys can see here, this is the error I keep getting every time I try to install a tweak. Sub-process user lib exac cds sido return error code 2, the error code 2. And what I read from Reddit and all these places tell me that you have to restore rootfs, you have to unjailbreak the phone, re-jailbreak the phone. Meanwhile, I don't really know how to do it with Meridian. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. Will that delete the user data and all that thing? Because I kind of want to unjailbreak and re-jailbreak again, but I want to keep all the demo apps here fully intact, just like this. Alright, if there's a way Please let me know in the comments down below. So this is what I do here is I already installed Terminal. Luckily I already have Filza and Terminal installed before I got those two issues. If you guys don't have Filza or Terminal, it will be a little bit more complicated, especially you don't have an SSH tweak installed yet. Luckily I do have Filza and Terminal, so I can do all these commands from the Terminal app just fine, which is luckily, right? So if you do like me, this is what I did, alright? chmod 6777 is basically changing all these things, because if you guys go to Filza here, we're gonna go to user, libexec, Cydia, and then Sidedo here. You guys see here with the permissions here, right? So if you got that error, you probably have the group write and other write unchecked, alright? So once you start to, you want to check it back and you click save, you will see both set UID and set GID just suddenly unchecked, and your mask number will be 0777, I think, yeah, 0777. And no matter what you do, you click set UID again, you check it mark, you set GID, you check it again, you click save, it will just not check, it will just resets back, and the mask number from 06777, it will go back to 0777. Okay, again, skip this part if you guys not interested, but maybe a lot of people would, maybe some people will have this issue like me with the Sidedo error, and hopefully this will help this little part here, right? So no matter what you do in Filza, it will not change the value. So what I do is with Terminal, I type this chmod 6777, basically forcing it to add that value of 6777 to the Sidedo, and everything works again. And then suddenly I got another error here, which is the dpkg error. Can I tap this photo? You can see there's the dpkg error. Basically every time I try to install something or uninstall something, it will come up with this error. And this is what I do here is, luckily again, I already have files installed, and go to the dpkg directory and changing all these files like this, and now seems to be everything is working again here. So let me try to, okay, let's install Ear Speaker from Karen's repo here. As you can see here, when I finish downloading, it will immediately get that Sidedo error or a dpkg error. Right now it seems to fix it, but I think the dpkg errors keep showing up once in a while, so I have to like rename it again, change the name again, rename it again, and change it up again. Okay, so there's the not so quick update about the 6S on iOS 10.2 demo unit. So yes, I finally got it to work. Thank God, all the demo apps work. You can see here, screensaver app works. Look at that, this is the iOS 10 screensaver. If I shake the phone, bam, it will go away. All the demo apps work, except iTunes U, but I don't really mind iTunes U. Before I end up the video, you guys probably gonna be wondering about something. So here I have an iPhone 5. We got an iPhone 5 here on iOS 10.3.4, and I want to see what happened if I restore a backup from this demo iPhone 6S to this normal iOS 10.3.4 on this iPhone 5. Okay, let's find out. Okay, so I do have the iPhone 5 right here. Let's click on restore backup, because I do back it up once here with iTunes. You can see there my demo backup. Let's hit on restore here, and let's see what's gonna happen with this iPhone 5 now. Okay, as you can see there on the iPhone 5 says restore in progress. Okay, the phone is restarted, guys. Let's see what's clicking. Okay, let me turn off assistive touch here. Hold on. Okay, we're good to go now. As you can see, oh, no demo apps has been installed, so all the demo apps has not been ported over, but I still got my apps here, and open up photos here, and yes, all the demo photos are carried away now. Look at that. Can I move apps? Oh, this one carried also. Yes. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that the demo software, you cannot actually move any app. So you can see here, I tap and hold it, you can't move the app, so that's does carry it away with the backup. You can see now I no longer can move any of my apps now. Take a look at the left here. Do we get, oh yes, we got all the calendar events. Let's go to calendar here. Okay, we do got all the calendar events does carried away here. I got a barbecue tomorrow, that's cool. Let's go to the text message. Yes, they do carry away from all those texts. Look at that, they all got carried away, which is nice. Okay, I want to see something here. On this demo 6S, I cannot install anything on the App Store. Let me show you guys here. If I go to the App Store here, as you can see, there is no get button or download button. They are disabled on this demo version of iOS. So let's see if that got carried over also. Okay, let's go to an app, the same app here, and ooh, that got carried away also. There is no get button or download button, so you guys cannot download any apps. Go to purchase tab here, the app. All of the cloud button, the download buttons are gone. Let's see. Let's see if the video thing is also persistent here. So let me take a video here. Okay, we're approaching 15 seconds here, and oh, yes, it does. The maximum length for this video has been reached, so the recording limit is also here. Let's try voice memos here for 1 minute and 5 seconds. Okay, so the limit of recording in voice memos does carry it around also. In fact, if we set in store demo mode. And that's enough also for the 6S on the iOS 10.2 demo unit. Again, how I found the phone is I watched an Indonesian YouTuber. He bought the phone, he unboxed it, he turned on the phone, look at it, it was running a demo version of iOS 10. I'm interested, so I bought the phone from the same seller, and here I am. I got one, and the reason why I want one is just simply for my collection, alright? It's a rare phone on iOS 10.2 plus demo apps. There you go, alright? Thank you guys for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace!